So there is this bird, I'm sure the bird lovers would tell us, a black bird with almost a greenish tinge on the neck, red-beak, bringing you here on this Sunday, March 2021 from the top end of the Sukhna Lake. Wintry visitors frequent Sukhna Lake, and these would be among the last few before they migrate back. I don't know whether it's an indigenous bird, but there you are, merrily clicking and clipping the early worms or seeds or seedlings. Beautiful part of nature, coexistence. Of course, you can see the friendly street dog next to us, people feed, but the focus is on this dove, the crows of course behind. But we conclude this video with our zooming lens focused on this beautiful black bird with a red beak. Have a great day ahead.